VESTA software which is installed on your computer. Then here I have a CIF file of CDWO4, so I will simply drag it. Now here you can see a unit cell of CDWO4. At the beginning you may not be able to distinguish which one is a cadmium and which one is a copper atom. So for that you can click on the objective option. In the objective you can label the atoms. So you can see the atoms are getting labeled. Now second thing, you can see the difference because there are O1 and O2. So how we can distinguish? You can click on the color and maybe I choose a green color for the O2. Okay, now it's very clear that there are two different types of O, cadmium and the copper and the tungsten. Now I want to replace one of the cadmium with a copper. So how to do that? Go to the edit menu. In the edit data, click on the phase. In the phase you can go to unit cell, and here you can see there are multiple options. What we need to do is remove the symmetry. So once you remove the symmetry, say apply. Now you can go to the structural parameter. Here you can see there are tungsten and the cadmium atom. Now one of the cadmium atom has been replaced with the copper. So I will just edit this symbol and the label and apply. So once you do this one, you can see the cadmium atom has been replaced with the copper. Now because there is only one cadmium, so I will change this label to CD. So simply click on the cadmium and replace that label to CD and say again apply. Now here what we can see that the cadmium and tungsten, all these atoms are connected with the O1 and O2, but the copper doesn't show any bond. So for that, again go back to the edit menu, click on the option bonds. In the bond you can see there is a bond cadmium and oxygen and tungsten oxygen. Now what we need, a bond between copper and oxygen. So you can click on the new. In the new you can see there are atom indicated as a copper. Okay, and it's a bond. So copper is A1 and the O is A2. Say apply. Okay, so you can see copper got connected with the O1. But then there are another oxygen atom O2 and O2 which is not connected with the copper. So for that you can do one thing, change this length to maximum length, say 3. Okay, and do apply again. Now you can see this copper atom got connected with the O1 and O2 atom. That's it. So this way you can replace a doped atom in a unit cell. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, do share and subscribe.